Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start exercise 10b. We have done question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. In this question we use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to the sum of square of two sides and then find out the value. And this question in the form of statement. Today we have to start question number 4. Question number 4 is also consists in the form of statement. Okay, in question number 4, first I read the statement. A ladder of length 5 meter. A ladder of length 5 meter is placed against a vertical wall with its foot at 1.8 meter away from the base of the wall. Okay. Exercise 10b. I also draw diagram. That's why you will understand very easily. Question number 4. Got it? Now you come on question, you come on statement. A ladder of the length 5 meter. The length of ladder is 5 meter. Is placed against a vertical wall. This is vertical wall. This is vertical wall. Just like look here. This is vertical wall. Okay. The length of against the vertical wall with its foot 1.8 meter away from the base of the wall. Okay. The length of this ladder is 5 meter. Got it? Okay. Away from the base, this one is the base. This one is the base. Away from the base of the wall 1.8 meter. This is 1.8 meter. Away from the base of the wall, this one is wall. Away mean door. Got it? How far up the wall does the ladder reach? Got it? We find the wall, we find the vertical height of wall ladder reached be x meter. We find the ladder reached height of the vertical wall. Let the vertical height the ladder reached be x meter. The value is not given, that's why we take x meter. Got it? This is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse. And the value of vertical wall is not given, that's why we take x, because let the vertical height of the ladder, this one is the vertical height of the ladder, reached be x meter. Got it? Now by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, this is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse. 15 meters 5 meters square equal to x meter square plus 1.8 meters. Now we open square, then we get 25 x square plus, now open the square of 1.8 meter, then we get 3.24. We find the value of x, we find the height of the ladder reached, how much take time, and then this is plus 3.24. When we shift into the other side, it will be subtract, then we get 21.76. X square equal to 21.76. Taking square root on both sides, x square equal to 21.76. Square cancel with square root, then x equal to, now we open square root of 21.76, then we get 4.66 meter. It's mean the length of vertical wall is 4.66 meter. Got it? It is very simple and easy. Now you come on next one is Mr. Lee buys a 30 inches television. Got it? 30 inches television. The height of the screen is 18 inches. The height of the screen, for example, this is television. The height of this television is 18 inches, just like this is 18 inches. Okay, after this, given that television screen are measured across the diagonal, the screen of television are measured across the diagonal, just like this. The screen of television are measured across the diagonal. It's mean that we measure the screen of diagonal, we measure the screen across the diagonal, so that television is 30 inches. That's why this one is 30 inches. Now you come on statement. Mr. Lee buy 30 inches television. The height of the screen is 18 inches. Given that the television screen are measured across the diagonal, that is the length of the diagonal is 30 inches. This is given. The length of the diagonal is 30 inches. Now come on next. How wide's the screen? We find the width of the screen, breadth of the screen. This one. This is very simple. And this is, we take this triangle, you also take this triangle, is your choice. Got it? Let the width of the screen be x meter. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, it's mean 30 square equal to base square plus perpendicular base square plus height square, and 18 square plus x square. Now we open square, 30 square, then we get 900 equal to 18 square, then we get 324 plus x square. It is in the form of addition. When we convert into the other side, it will be subtract. 900 minus 324, then value of x square equal to 576. This value in the form of square. Now taking square root, taking square root on both sides. X square, this is square root 576, and this is square root. Square cancel with square root, then the answer is, the value of x is 24 inches. It means the width of the screen is 24 inches. Got it? It is very simple and easy. There is no difficulty. Now you come on next question. This is question number 6, and this question in the form of diagram. We follow this diagram and solve the value. Okay, now firstly I did the diagram. This is also very simple. Two vertical buildings. These are buildings, two vertical buildings. Of height is 30 meter. The height of this building is 30 meter, and the height of this building is 37 meter. Are 16 meter apart, and this height is, this one is 16 meter. A cable is pulled through the and attached from the top of one building to the top of the another building. The cable is attached the top of the one building to the top of the other building. This cable is attached top of the one building to the top of the other building. Find the length of this cable. This one. Find the length of this cable. We find the length of this cable. Okay, and we take this part, then it's make a triangle, and this length is 16 meter. It's mean this one, this length is 16 meter. It's mean this length is also 16 meter. Okay, and the length of this building is 37, and the length of this building is 30. Now we subtract 37 with 30, then we get the length of this one. we find the length of this one. Now we subtract this, it's mean 37 minus 30, then we get 7. It's mean the length of this one is 7 meter. Got it? It's mean question number 6, let the length of the cable be x meter. We take this triangle. I also draw here 7 meter, 16 meter, and we find this is the length of cable. It's take x. I also written here. Got it? Again, this is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse. X square equal to 16 meter square plus 7 square. Now we open square and find out the value of x. Got it? And it is very simple and easy. First we open square, then you take square root, and you get the length of cable. Got it? Now you come on here, and this one is the length of 30 meter, and this one is the length of 37 meter. There are two buildings. First one is 30 meter and second one is 37 meter. We find the length of this, just only this point, because we find the length of cable. This is the cable that's attached from one point to the other point of the building, so that we find the length of cable. And we also find this length, so that this is the highest value 37. That's why 37 minus 30, then we get 7, so that the length of this point is 7 meter. And this is 16 meter from this point to this point. That's why this is also 16 meter. By this value, apply Pythagoras theorem and find out the value of cable, the value of x. If you have any query, then inbox me. Thank you.